This video I will explain AI or artificial intelligence. AI or artificial intelligence simply means teaching machines to act smart, almost like humans. AI is about creating computers or programs that can do tasks which normally require human thinking, like learning, problem solving, decision making, or recognizing things. Now we will see everyday examples of AI. You already use AI in daily life without realizing it. First one is Google Maps. Finds the fastest route by checking traffic conditions in real time. The second one is YouTube and Netflix. Suggest videos or shows based on what you watch and your preferences. Third one is voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant understand what you say and reply intelligently. The fourth one is face unlock on phones. Recognize your face to unlock your device. Fifth one is spam filters in email. Keeps junk mail out of your inbox automatically. How AI is different from normal computers. Normal program does only what it is told by step with fixed instructions. AI program can learn from data and improve over the time instead of following only fixed rules. Now we will see the example comparison. A calculator can only solve what you type in. An AI chatbot can answer your questions in different ways because it has learned from lot of conversations. Calculator is example of a normal program. AI chatbot is example of AI program. Why AI is important? First point is saves time. AI can automate boring or repetitive tasks, freeing humans for more creative work. Second point is handles big data. AI can analyze huge amounts of information faster than humans ever could. Third point is improves accuracy. AI is useful in medicine, finance, and science, where small errors matter significantly. Fourth point is helps in daily life. AI can do shopping suggestions, and AI can act as a digital assistant, and AI makes life easier and more convenient. Now we will see the simple analogy to understand AI. You can think of AI as a student. At first, the student knows nothing and needs guidance. With practice and examples, the student learns patterns and connections. Over the time, the student becomes better and can even answer new questions without being told exactly how. Just like student progresses from knowing nothing to becoming knowledgeable, AI system starts with no knowledge and gradually learn from data and experience to become more capable. Now we will see the summary. AI is when machines are designed to act smart, like recognizing speech, images, or making decisions by learning from data and experience. AI is not magic. AI is simply a technology that learns and improves through the data and algorithms. AI is practical helper. AI helps us in daily life, business, and science by automating and enhancing human capabilities. Understanding AI does not require a computer science degree. It is simply about recognizing how machines can learn and assist us in countless ways.